So I'm going to the command prompt, just search for CMD. You can run it as administrator, or you can just run it. So this is, we have C colon /Windows /system 32. So this is the command prompt, the prompt, you see it over there. Now let's see whether we have Java on this machine. So we just type Java, then type version and press enter. Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. So we have to open our favorite browser. You can open any browser. I will use chrome.sun.com/Java SE and press enter. So we have the official website here. So you can just click here, then you go to Windows. For me, I'm going to Windows. I want to download this one over here because my operating system is Windows. I want to download this. So you can download this. So you can choose the source where you want to save it. You can choose it. So I will save it in downloads. So you can go and check the progress and wait patiently for it to finish downloading. So after it's finished downloading, you can go to the folder, and then what do? You can now just double tap this to install. Welcome to the installation wizard for Java SE Development Kit 21.01. So you click next, then you click next again. So wait patiently as it finishes the installation. So click next to access tutorials, API documentation, developer guides, release notes, and more to help you get started with the JDK. So I will not click next, I'll just click close here. So I can close this for now. So we are done with the installation. Now let us again type Java version and see. You see that still it's not picking it, so we have to restart the command prompt. So go to CMD again. So I'll run as administrator once again. So I'll click yes, then now Java version, and click enter. So you see Java version 21.0.1. That is what we just installed. Now with this version you can just start programming straightforward. So in our next video we'll write our first Java program.